Longitudinal wave. It is a wave where the particles of the medium move parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. So, logo ukuthi le wave le abasinikeze yona ile wave le whereby ama particles of the medium vibrate, enyakaza, ahamba ngayo lo direction leyo on the same plane. If it's horizontal, it will be horizontal. If it's vertical, it's over vertical. They are parallel. Yini engesiyaziyo ngama-longitudinal wave? Ama-longitudinal wave anezinto esibiza ngama-crest, ama-reflection, nama-compression. Ama-crest nama-troughs comes from ama-transverse waves, ama-water waves. Ama-transverse waves yilawa ahambisa okwenyoka kanje. Lawa, these are longitudinal waves, angithi. So, yini lama compressions nama reflections engikhuluma ngawo? Lama compressions nama reflections are the regions. Mengithi ama regions indawo ezithize on the wave whereby the particles are at a certain distance apart. If the particles are closest together, are closest kakhulu ndawonye, lo ndawo le, lo region le, we call it a compression. Because the particles are compressed in that space. Where the particles are furthest apart, lama particles they are called rarefaction. Okay. So, compression ahamselana nani in terms of crest and troughs. Rarefaction ahamselana nani. Yabo? So, rarefaction ahamselana nama troughs, which means rarefaction, the regions whereby the particles are spaced ngendlela bagqagqene kakhulu njenge gas thizeni. That region is called a rarefaction. It is bayifanisa nani ne trough. So rarefaction is represented as a trough uma is space between the particles igqagqene kakhulu. The space between the particles is smallest. In there, compression. It's compressed. Crest. So, now you get a longitudinal wave. Why bet wave? Remember, there is a difference between a wave and a pulse. So, longitudinal, transverse pulse ne pulse, but you only have a longitudinal wave. Why? A pulse is just a single disturbance in a medium. Low single disturbance kufana nje ukuthi mawufika amanzi ethule endishini wafaka umunwe wena noma wadedela some sort of object la ezoqala khona athintana kuzoba khona ama ripples azohamba. Lo ma ripples are caused by wena ngithi. So those are pulses traveling on the medium, which is water. And as more pulses join njengestimela, they start to form a wave. So, ama particles vibrate parallel. That wave is called a longitudinal wave. But ama particles vibrate perpendicular, and then that wave will be called a transverse wave. It is a longitudinal wave, which means ama pulses amaningi ahlangene to form a wave, and those particles vibrate, they will be called there will be opposites in each direction to motion yani yawo wave. Wave mayaka left. Our particles could be going to the left or right, we don't care, but never up or down. It is parallel for a longitudinal wave. So, as the regions whereby the particles are apart and the particles whereby they are together. So, we are going to la ikhala zithe uqaqana ngila, but la zathuhlangana la yabo, zathuqaqana kanjalo kanjalo. So, bathini ke lana ke, this diagram represents a longitudinal wave. We have u point, w, x, y, z. Yabo? As you can see, u, the spaces between u and laba. So this is a rarefaction. It could be representing a trough. W, the spaces between labo line kusondelene kakhulu compared to laba abanye. Okusho ukuthi yini leyo? Yini leyo? I compression. so singasho ukuthi crest. Size ngala nala the spaces space nakhona sigqagqene angithi but buka ipoint liphakathi nendawo, it's on the space not on the particles. Yabo? Asize ngala. It's on the particle ke la. Yabo? It's on the particle. So lapho buka yile ama compression. Yes udele? Why ama spaces la between ama particles asondelene. Size ngala uZ lo. Ipoint lo uZ nalo this space igqagqene angithi. So yile trough. So we now know ukuthi u W X Y Z kumele. So kuthiwa la which one of the following represents a trough? I trough ile ihamba ngaphansi. Ile ukuthi makuyi wave i-wave yakho. Ile i-trough le la phezulu i-crest. Ungakhohlwa lokho. So